Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious curry yogurt using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need plain, unsweetened yogurt, your favorite curry powder, and a pinch of salt. Having all your components ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect result every time. Now, let's prepare our curry blend. Take a small portion of your plain yogurt and mix it with the curry powder in a separate bowl. Stir this vigorously until you have a smooth, lump-free paste. This important step is crucial for an even flavor distribution throughout your final curry yogurt, ensuring every bite is delicious. Next, gently fold the curry paste into the rest of your plain yogurt. Stir everything together until the beautiful curry color is evenly distributed and there are no streaks. Now, add a pinch of salt. This simple seasoning truly brings out the depth of the curry flavor, making it perfectly balanced. Your easy curry yogurt is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it right away or, for an even richer flavor, chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. It's a fantastic accompaniment to grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, or as a flavorful dip. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a vibrant touch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.